I saw this on Amazon and I wanted to make something like that for myself. So I made some research. I actually got this idea from a lady on YouTube called Lovett Speaks. I'll put the link to her video below. Do check her out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be showing you guys how I made this DIY headband wig. Please keep on watching. This is the hair I'm going to be using. I just stretched it off camera and this was the result. So I'm just going to prep the hair for this headband wig. The first thing we'll be needing is a wig cap. So for this wig cap, I'll just measure out where I'm putting the wig comb. So I'm measuring out 7 inches. After that, I'll be placing headband. I just made this headband out of an old cloth that I have that stretches. So I'm going to be using my needle and thread to sew this around the 7 inches that I marked out. Next, I'm going to be attaching my wig comb to the 7 inches that I marked. So I'm going to be attaching 3 wig combs in front, at the middle and at both ends in front of the 7 inches that I marked. And please, when you are attaching this wig comb, make sure you turn the net inside out and make sure this is sewn on the headband, not on the cap itself. So in total, I attached like 4 wig combs, 1 at the back also, 3 in front. So next, I'm going to be sewing my velcro. So as you can see me doing, I'm just attaching the velcro to the back of my headband, both sides. So that's what I'm doing. Now that our wig cap is ready, I'm just going to go ahead to crochet the braiding hair onto the wig cap. So to do this, you just grab your hair through the wig cap and then you just need to knot this once or twice as the case may be. Just grab the head with the crochet through the wig cap, and then you only have to knot this once or twice. So I'm just going to be repeating this all through the wig cap. Let me just show you guys closely how I did this. I used my crochet pin to grab the hair through the wig cap, and then I knot this twice. After I'm done with crocheting the braiding hair, this is how it looks like. You can actually leave it like this if you wish to. It's actually nice like this too. So I'm just going to go ahead to coil this with my straw. This is my straw, and then I'm also going to use hairpin. After I'm done coiling my hair, I'm just going to go ahead to put this in hot water, and before I do that, I'm going to be adding a little conditioner to make it soft. I will leave this in for some minutes and then I'll take it out and let it dry. After it's dried, I'll just take off the straw. The coils look so pretty, very pretty. Here I'm just spraying my hair sheen to the hair. Next I'll be applying mousse to the hair to unravel the coils. This helps it not to tangle, so you have to use your mousse to unravel the coils so that it won't tangle. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.